How to install your Drago Series 1 and 2 corn head protectors. Tools needed for this job will be an electric drill, an angle drill, an alignment tool, possibly a hammer. Essential drill bits are 1/8 of an inch for the pilot hole, 5/16 for fitment. The nuts and screws are all included in our kit. To begin, place your protector on the bonnet and measure 1 inch from the front ridge. When in place, grab your 1/8 of an inch bit and begin drilling all pilot holes. Continue drilling pilot holes on the bottom. Drill out pilot holes to 5/16 of an inch, both top and bottom. Insert rib nuts into all holes, top and bottom. A hammer may be needed for this step. Place your protector plate into position and insert the screws, both top and bottom. Use your electric impact, starting with the low setting, to set screws. Finish with a hand screwdriver. Finish tightening the screws on the bottom. Repeat on additional corn heads. You have just watched our video on installing the Drago Series 1 and 2 corn head protectors. If you have additional questions, please reach out to our team at Ihle Fabrications.